Hey there. Welcome back to Foodie Facts. Today we're going bananas, literally, as we explore banana smoothies from around the world. We're blending up a tour of taste and we'll take you through some delicious recipes from the creamy banana lassi from India to the peanut-packed banana smoothie from Ghana, plus many more. So get your notepad, stick around until the end as we blend, shake and taste our way through these delicious recipes from around the world. And who knows? You might just find your new favorite way to enjoy bananas, beside eating them straight from the peel. Let's start at the very beginning with the classic banana smoothie, a global favorite found all over the world and the foundation for endless variations. All you need, one ripe banana, about 200 milliliters of your preferred milk, or a few spoonfuls of yogurt. Bananas with brown spots are best. They're naturally sweeter. Choose whole, semi-skimmed, or plant-based milk. Each brings its own twist. Greek yogurt adds tang and protein for a more filling drink. Peel and slice the banana into chunks. Place in the blender. Add your liquid, and if you want it extra cold, toss in some ice cubes. Secure the lid. No one wants a smoothie explosion. Start blending on low. Then increase to high for about a minute until smooth. Pour into a glass and admire your work. You've just made the perfect banana smoothie. It's quick, easy, and rewarding. Enjoy the taste and the accomplishment. Once you've mastered the classic, it's time to get creative. Here are 3 surprising variations. First, we're heading to the Caribbean for the tropical sunrise. Start with banana and coconut milk, frozen mango and pineapple, plus a squeeze of lemon or lime. Blend until smooth for a golden vitamin C-packed drink that tastes like a beach holiday. It's a taste of paradise, refreshing and vibrant. Next, we're flying over to Bali, where wellness cafes blend up smoothies both healthy and heavenly. The nutty chocolate dream is all of these, rich, creamy, and chocolatey. Use a frozen banana, almond milk, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a spoonful of nut butter. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla for extra warmth. Blend until thick and creamy, like a healthy milkshake. It's perfect as a dessert or a post-workout treat. Finally, popular with Western culture, the green power boost. Banana, apple juice or water, a big handful of spinach, and half an avocado. Add a small piece of ginger and juice of half a lemon for zing. Blend until vibrant green and silky smooth. Don't let the color fool you. It's sweet, creamy, and packed with nutrients. These variations show how a banana smoothie can be anything you want, tropical, indulgent, or powerfully healthy. Try them all, or invent your own. The possibilities are endless. With just a blender and a few ingredients, you can travel the world of flavor. Each smoothie is a new adventure. Whether you crave sunshine, chocolate, or greens, there's a blend for you. The banana smoothie is your blank canvas. Mix, match, and make it yours. Blending fruit into drinks is a global tradition, each culture adding its own twist. In Latin America, batidos and licuados mix fresh fruit with milk, refreshing and popular everywhere. Brazil's vitaminas are street corner staples, often sweetened with condensed milk. In India, the banana lassi is a yogurt-based classic known for its cooling power during hot Indian summers. Take 1 ripe banana, half a cup of plain yogurt, half a cup of milk, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, a pinch of cardamom and some ice cubes. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy. It's a summer favorite. In Ghana, bananas team up with peanuts for a protein-packed energy-boosting smoothie. Take 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of milk or plant-based milk if you prefer, 1 teaspoon of honey and some ice cubes. Blend until smooth and creamy. A peanut butter milkshake with bananas that tastes oh so good. Now we're heading back to the Caribbean. In Jamaica, banana punch is sweet, rich, and full of island flavor. For this, you need 2 ripe bananas, 1.5 cups of evaporated milk, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, a splash of vanilla and some ice cubes. Creamy, spicy, and just the right amount of sweetness. Blend it up and feel those tropical vibes. Over in Japan, banana milk is a simple but super popular drink, often sold in little cartons at convenience stores. Quick and easy to make, yet delicious. You will need 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of cold milk of your choice, some ice cubes and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is optional. And that's it. Light, mellow, and super refreshing. Just blend it up and enjoy. And now for a cool twist. The banana coffee shake from the USA. A fun way to combine breakfast flavors into 1 mega shake. For this one, you will need 1 ripe banana, half a cup of brewed or cooled coffee, half a cup of milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey, ice cubes, and a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Although this step is optional, blend it up and boom, energy, sweetness, and the star of our show, banana, all in one. These drinks are more than treats, they're part of daily life. Every country has its own blend, but the joy is universal. Blended drinks connect us across cultures. Wherever you are, there's a smoothie waiting to be discovered. The world is full of flavor, just blend and enjoy. Smoothies and milkshakes. Both creamy, both blended, both delicious in their own way. But worlds apart. Milkshakes are dessert ice cream, milk, and syrup. Smoothies are about health fruit, sometimes veggies, blended with juice, milk, or yogurt. Milkshakes date back to the 1880s, evolving with soda fountains and diners. Smoothies emerged in the 1960s health food movement, popularized by Smoothie King. The sweetness in smoothies comes from fruit or honey, not normally added sugar. Milkshakes, on the other hand, are treats. Think classic diners, whipped cream and cherries on top. Smoothies are nourishment, can be meal replacements, and ideal for post-workout fuel. Milkshakes are all about indulgence. Each drink has its own story and place in our lives. The banana smoothie isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Bananas are loaded with potassium, vital for heart health and muscle function. They're also rich in vitamin B6, supporting brain function and mood. Add milk or yogurt for calcium, vitamin D, and protein. Great for bones and lasting energy. Greek yogurt boosts protein even more, keeping you full. Bananas provide vitamin C and fiber, aiding immunity and digestion. Toss in oats, chia seeds, or spinach to up the fiber and nutrients. A smoothie can be a complete balanced meal in a glass. It's a smart breakfast or snack that fuels your day. Every sip supports your health from the inside out. Simple ingredients, big benefits. That's the beauty of a banana smoothie. The smoothie's appeal is universal. It's for everyone, from any country, everywhere. For kids, it's a fun, healthy treat that feels like dessert. For busy adults, it's a quick, nutritious breakfast on the go. It fuels your day without the sugar crash. For the elderly, it's an easy, nourishing meal, gentle, filling, and packed with goodness. Smoothies are democratic, no special skills, just a blender and a few ingredients. They fit any diet or budget, dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, or just simple and seasonal. Anyone can make one, and everyone can enjoy. It's the joy of good food, shared. That's the magic of a smoothie. We've explored the world of banana smoothies and shakes, classic recipes, creative twists, and global traditions. Now it's your turn. Your kitchen is your lab. Which one will you try first? From India to Jamaica, Japan to the USA, bananas really are global heroes. So add whatever takes your fancy, leftover greens, a spoonful of nut butter. Experiment with spices, new liquids, and unexpected combos. Your perfect blend is waiting. All you have to do is begin. We hope you enjoyed our smoothie tour around the world. If you like videos like this, as well as those about how nutritious everyday food really can be, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. Also, feel free to share your favorite blends with us in the comments below. Happy blending and thanks for watching.